kitties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're gonna be doing makeup look, a demon look, like an evil dark demon. Yes, we're gonna have horns, we're gonna have eye contacts, we're gonna have crazy hair, crazy makeup. So we're gonna glue like this plastic horns on my forehead on both sides. We're gonna be using cotton balls to make like skin type of texture. We're gonna be using liquid latex to glue it all together. And we're gonna use sponge to apply the latex. So first we apply the latex on our forehead. Little layer so the horn can stick to it basically. So now we're gonna apply our horn. Wait for it to dry, to stick together, hold on all sides, push it down, there you go, our first horn is stuck. So now we're taking our latex and go around the horn again. Now we're gonna stick some cotton ball, rip it apart in small pieces and stick it on. Push it down to make it secure, and at the top of it you just add more latex, just so the horn doesn't fall off when you're in the club dancing and drinking, you know? Falling over in high heels. So add more latex all around. Be careful, it smells, you know? This will help to make the skin look dead, you know? It will look like it literally is growing off our foreheads. Yeah. Keep dabbing it, make it nice and smooth. So when we finish with the first one, we're gonna start doing the second one, doing the same steps. Apply latex. Stick the horn on. Push it down, hold it down, let it dry. You know, dance, sing, rap. Who's the bad bitch? Yeah. And just put the latex all around, just as we did before. Stick the cotton balls. Be careful when you're wearing fake nails, you know, because it all gets stuck to it. Look at my nails. What is this? Is it Christmas decoration? Snow? I knew it. I look very serious on this video. Getting in the character, you know? Oh my god, stuck everywhere. There we go. Now we're gonna add latex on the top, dab it around, make it nice and smooth. Hope you guys doing well this Halloween. Staying safe. Unfortunately we cannot party this time. But next year, hopefully we can get all drunk, pissed off on tequila, you know? This is actually the first Halloween drag makeup look I went out in. Like back in, I don't know, 3 years ago maybe. So I was like, oh my god, I want to be a demon, yeah. Apart from falling over my cape during the night, it was fun. Fuck high heels, normal. Some hoes in this house, there's some hoes in this house, there's some hoes in this house. Just make sure all of the pads are covered so it doesn't like fall down on you, you know what I mean? Get it stuck, get it in right places. I had to wash my nails after this. You know, I even got black nails for the dramatic makeup look, you know? Now we're gonna put some eyeliner on to make the eyes dark. Don't worry, you don't have to be like super precise with it because we're gonna cover it black eyeshadow anyway, so I'm just doing it because, you know, eyeshadow can sometimes rub off and the eyeliner is gonna stay, so that's what we want, especially when we glue in massive eyelashes, so we don't want them to take our eyeshadow off. So now we're gonna apply some eye contact, as you can see. This contact lens is a bit wonky, so sorry, I'm a bit watery. So we're gonna start with applying brown eyeshadow on top of our lid. I'm using James Charles Morphe palette. Don't have to be precise, just add some depth to it. Just like that. Add some black, you know, black favorite. Everywhere. We need to look like we just came out of the, I don't know, swamp or something. Keep adding the black. Oh, don't worry if it's messy. We're gonna fix it later. Now we're taking the blending brush and we blend it up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now we're adding some red for the extra color, you know. All about building the colors together. There we go. Oh, she's sexy, mommy. Now you need to get some cheap foundation because we're not using our expensive one to cover it. To do Halloween makeup, you can use cheap one. The cheapest one you can find. Doesn't have to match your colors. I found it better to use brush to do that step because I tried with blender, didn't work, so brush. As you can see, we're now blending the white with our skin, so it looks like it's growing out of our skin, you know. Reality. Doesn't have to be perfect match because we're gonna cover it with colors after. Now we're gonna powder it down so it doesn't like move, you know, especially darker powder, so it's gonna help it blend even more, you know. Get some more contour, go around. Create the depth of the illusion, you know. Add some purple all around, you know. Beautiful. Keep adding the colors to bring it out. You can choose different colors, but I'm following like blood and black, like oil type of colors, so that's my theme. Oh yes, as you can see, it's starting to look more real now. So now we're gonna add some black because you know I'm dark demon. I'm gonna go push it all around. I've decided I'm gonna use some black cream, black paint, and dab it with cotton bud look to create the illusion of wet, like liquid coming out of our horns, you know. Just dab it around, make it suit you. So with a small brush, we're gonna add some black lines from our horns, like veins or leaking liquid or whatever you wanna call it, you know. It's in small details, the illusion. Now we're gonna go with our black eyeshadow on our lower lid. You're gonna smooth it around. As you can see, it will complete our look. Complete the darkness, you know? Yeah. Halloween is the best part of the year, you know what I mean? It's like my fave. Really enjoy it. Now we're gonna do this like small lines from our eyes. You know, black tears. Now we're gonna smooch them around because it cannot be like you're dead, you're a demon. It cannot be perfect, precise. So you're gonna smooch it around, make it even more realistic. I've chose not to talk in the video because I wanted to focus on the makeup, so I'm adding the audio now. How you liking that? How you like that? Da 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 da. Black pink in your area. So now we're gonna add some dark contour. I used some very dark brown shades, you know. You want this to be very dark makeup. Blend it around. Blend it around. Blend, blend, blend. It will bring our cheeks up, change our shape of face, you know, make it more even darker. Don't forget your chin, chin chin. And your nose. So now I decided at the nose I'll add like black lines to make it more demon shaped, you know, our nostrils. You can do it with a paint and a small brush. Looks like a kitty catty. Now with a black lipstick, black lip gloss. I'm using a lip gloss. It's very dark. It's better with lip gloss because you can smooth it around easily, as you can see. I'm living my fantasy, smoothing around. Oh yes. They call me a horny demon. You get it? Horny horns demon. This is our complete look. How do you like, guys? I think it turned out nice. If you guys liked it, leave us a like, comment, or even a subscribe. I will be coming back with some more videos. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!